You get paid on Friday, and by Tuesday, it's like your wallet has vanished. Ever had that where did it all go moment? Bills, food, little purchases, they sneak up fast. It's a cycle that feels impossible to escape. As you start earning more, your spending quietly rises too. That small coffee treat, now it's daily. It adds up fast and suddenly your extra income isn't so extra. It's called lifestyle creep. And it happens to almost everyone. Rent, groceries, gas, everything's gotten more expensive. It's not just you. It's the world changing around us. Even the basics cost more than they used to. Managing money today feels like running uphill. We don't track what we don't see when money slips through unnoticed subscriptions. Small purchases, it disappears fast. Without a plan, it's like wandering in the dark. Knowing where every dollar goes is the first step to taking control. Ever open your bank app and wonder, wait, where did all my money go? Yeah, me too. Hey friends, I'm Bella. Welcome to the Money Talk channel, where we keep it real and talk smart money. If you've ever felt like your paycheck disappears the moment it lands, this episode is for you. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because we're all about leveling up our money mindset together. Quick heads up, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, just your money-savvy friend who's been there. Today, we're going to break down exactly where your money goes, why it slips through the cracks, and how to start getting ahead again. So in this video titled, Where Does My Money Go?, we're diving deep. Grab a coffee, take a seat, and let's unpack your wallet together. Rent or mortgage? Let's face it, keeping a roof over your head isn't cheap. Whether you pay rent or a mortgage, this usually takes up 30 to 40% of your income. It's the big bite that shows up like clockwork every month. You can't live without it, but it sure costs a lot to stay in your own space. Utilities and services, electricity, water, internet, trash, nothing exciting, but you can't skip them. These bills are small but stack up fast. Miss one, and your lights go out or your Wi-Fi disappears. These are the silent sidekicks of modern life, always there, always hungry for cash. Insurance, it feels like money thrown into a black hole until you actually need it. Health, car, or renter's insurance can save you from disaster. You pay now for a maybe later problem. It's protection that's invisible until it isn't. Car payments or public transit, whether you're driving or riding, commuting has a price. Gas, repairs, parking, or bus passes, they all cost you. You're paying just to get from A to B. It's the daily journey that quietly chips away at your wallet. You tell yourself, it's just a $7 latte, what's the big deal? But then there's lunch from that new place and snacks for later. Before you know it, you've spent $100 on food in today's. It's not just one swipe, it's lots of little ones. I'll just buy this one thing, you think at 1 a.m. while scrolling Amazon. But your cart fills up fast, packages arrive like daily surprises, and you barely remember what you bought. Your wallet definitely remembers though. You sign up for one streaming service, then another, then you buy movie tickets, concert passes, and suddenly every weekend has a price tag. Entertainment sneaks up on you and takes your money with it. Then come the surprises, a birthday gift for a friend, a vet bill, or a late-night Target run for just toothpaste that turns into a $75 receipt. These little emergencies, they're not planned, but they're real. Ever had a rough day and found yourself buying something just to feel better? That's emotional spending, and it sneaks up on us sometimes. A new pair of shoes or a fancy coffee feels like a reward, but it adds up fast. It's like a tiny comfort with a big price tag, and before you know it, your budget's in trouble. Sometimes we spend money just to avoid guilt, like saying yes to events we can't really afford. A friend invites you to a fancy dinner or a destination wedding, and you say yes because you don't want to disappoint them, but those just this once moments pile up. Emotional spending isn't always about stuff, it's about pressure. Ever been scrolling your phone and suddenly bought something you didn't even know you wanted? Social media is smart, it knows when to hit you with ads when you're bored, tired, or vulnerable. One click turns into a purchase, and it feels harmless until your bank account says otherwise. Emotional spending hides behind convenience. We tell ourselves, I've earned this, and suddenly it's a $300 shopping spree. But feeling good doesn't have to mean spending big. Rewards are important, but they don't have to drain your wallet. It's okay to celebrate, just don't let it derail your financial goals. You know those gym memberships, apps, or streaming services you signed up for ages ago? Yeah, you might still be paying for them even if you haven't touched them in months. These forgotten subscriptions sneak out of your account without a sound. It's like they're invisible until you check your bank statement. Those free trials we eagerly sign up for, if you forget to cancel, they quietly start charging you every month. One day it's free. The next day your bank account is like, where did that $9.99 go? It's easy to miss when the charge is small but regular. These little traps are designed to be forgettable. Some subscriptions renew automatically and you don't even get a heads up. They're designed to quietly slip past your radar. You could go years paying for something you never use. It's like your money is on autopilot, heading off into the fog. It's not always the big charges that drain you. Tiny fees like ATM charges, overdrafts, or extra delivery tips can add up fast. Each one feels small, but together, they chip away at your money. These little guys are the silent nibblers of your wallet. Before your paycheck even hits your bank, a chunk is already gone thanks to federal and state income taxes. It's like running an epic race only to find someone scooped half your treasure. At the finish line, these taxes help fund things like roads, schools, and emergency services. It's frustrating but necessary. Social Security and Medicare take another bite from your paycheck. These aren't just random deductions, they're long-term investments for your retirement and healthcare when you're older. It's tough now, but future you will thank you. Still, it can feel like you're being chased by something invisible. Your employer also deducts money for things like health insurance or retirement plans. It's like buying gear for your journey. It weighs you down now, but will help you survive later. These benefits can save you big time when life throws curveballs, even if it shrinks your take-home pay today. If you're a gig worker or freelancer, nobody's withholding taxes for you. That means you'll owe the full amount later, and it can sneak up fast. It's like skipping checkpoints on a quest, only to face a massive boss fight at the end. Planning ahead is your best defense. You might think you're broke, but really, you just don't know where your money is going. For the next 30 days, write down every single thing you spend, even the small stuff. Use a notebook, an app, your phone, anything that keeps you consistent. Awareness is the first real superpower in taking back control. Now let's build a spending map. It's like a treasure map, but it shows where your money really goes: housing, food, fun, savings, and more. Seeing it visually helps you make smarter choices. You'll be surprised where the biggest treasure piles are. Before buying something, just pause for a second. Ask yourself, do I need this or do I just want it right now? This one habit can help you avoid a lot of regret. Conscious spending is like steering your ship instead of drifting with the wind. Every dollar you earn should have a mission. Is it going to cover rent, buy a treat, or save for something big? When every dollar has a job, you're the boss of your money, not the other way around. So today, we uncovered the big players that are quietly draining your wallet, from rent and food to emotional shopping and taxes. You're not irresponsible, you're just human, but with a little awareness, you can make money work for you instead of vanishing every month. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who always says I'm broke. Let's change that narrative together. Drop a comment and tell me what surprised you most about where your money goes. Let's get real and help each other out. This is Bella from the Money Talk channel. Real Talk, Smart Money with Bella. Thanks for watching. And remember, your money should work as hard as you do. See you in the next one.